Okay, so today I'm going to plow the road. This is a Kubota B2320. I don't have any chains on at all, and I'll be plowing in high range the whole time. It's a 6.5 foot Meyers snowplow. I'm not sure on the year. Meyers makes nice lightweight plows. I do have hydraulic angle on it. I bought it with the whole plow and 3 rams that came with it. It was like, I think $300. Yeah. And I have it mounted onto my LA304 loader. I bought the adapter for skid steer plates, skid steer attachments basically, and I bought myself a just blank plate, 3/8 inch steel.
This far. I thought I might run a snowblower through on my road to the new road. So.
And the plow was actually just mounted with the original mounts for the truck mounts. They just bolted on. I have another video showing how I mounted it, but it's just bolted on, and then I welded on the chain attachment point onto the top, which didn't even need to do, but I did because it's just kind of nice. And then I got a remote to actuate the front hydraulics. That was another $400. I think I have another video on installing that too. This push here is about 350 yards. The snow depth was like 6 to 8 inches. On this end you can see somebody plowed it in the middle of the storm. So I'm pushing theirs that's on the right edge as well as new snow that's on the road. And overall I'm pushing the same 68 inches other than it's compacted on the right, so it's probably actually harder than if it hadn't been plowed. You can see here where they pushed it right across the road, and I never do that because you're not supposed to. It's kind of against the law. A lot of people do it anyhow.
Oh, the wind coming this way sucks. I have to go get my, I'm gonna go get my belt off. That's cool. Widen this bit down here, and then the other bit. over there. Have to snowplow here to get to it.
So this here will be a 350-yard run. You see I'm widening out some. I can't take a whole lot widening without chains on. It just pushes me sideways or bogs me down so much and stops me. I start spinning in that. If I had chains on, I could probably push it into the ditch. But as long as I can get through the road with UPS, FedEx and stuff, I really don't need to push it that wide, so it's not worth my time to put chains on.
Right, snowplow.
I always can, but if I don't have to, I'd rather not. One other thing I do want to mention is, if you're thinking about doing this, I would go with at least the 6.5 plow. Probably a 7-footer would be a little nicer. You can see, there's the front wheels fine, the rear wheels, the snow coming off of the old banks, I'm just starting to run over onto it. So 6.5 is the minimum for this tractor. Any smaller and you'd be running on soft snow in the back. See here now, that soft snow coming off the bank is almost onto the front tires, and the rear tires are wider. So you can see where that could be an issue.
Right there. Oh. Oh.